Thank you for staying with Republic, and we cut across to more news as the COVID situation in India, where the tally is close to reaching the 1,40,000 mark. I want to straight away cut across to my colleague Sumi Rajappan, who is joining us live from Tilak Nagar.
Yes, Suesha, so to ramp up the test across the national capital, one of the leading diagnostic center pathology lab, Star Imaging Private Limited, had also come up with two creative ideas to make it more convenient for all the people out there, because testing is still a taboo, and Mr. Samir Bhati, who happens to be the director of Star Imaging Private Limited, will tell us more about it. So, what is the testing procedure? And usually we have heard about home collection, but you have come with two different methods. That is, one is mobile van and also a booth. So tell us more about it.
So what happens, the procedure and the documentation will be same for either mobile van collection or booth. We need a doctor prescription. Patient cannot demand for this test. So we need a doctor prescription with registration number where he or she has to mention the COVID-19 test. Another is the form 44, which is provided by the ICMR, and third is the government ID. So we need these three documents. So earlier what we were doing the home collection. Few patients were a little reluctant. I think we should provide some more options for the patient. So these mobile van can be used. Here you can see the technician who is sitting, the phlebotomist who is sitting, he is wearing the PPE, and the person who is driving the cab, he is also wearing the PPE, following all the safety measure precautions given by the government.
How does the test is conducted?
The test won't be conducted here. They'll just take the samples. The test will be processed there only. So you can see, like with the patient, you can see there is a glass and two holes. The phlebotomist is sitting inside, and now he can take out his hands and he can take the swabs. We take two swabs. One is the nasopharyngeal swab. Another is the oropharyngeal swab. The patient has done her online booking, and then she will show the registration number. Then the phlebotomist can recognize the patient, and then you can see the whole procedure.
How many tests are conducted on an average every day?
Approximately 150 to 200 on a daily basis we are doing as of now. And, one more thing I would like to mention is this mobile van can be used for the containment area or the hotspot area. So there is no need for the mass patients to travel here. So the mobile van can be stationed there, and we can speed up the sample collection.
And sir, after 24 hours, the tests results will be out. And will it be given online, or would the patients have to come?
It is given online, and we can WhatsApp to the patients. We upload it to the government portal, and we mail it to the other authorities as well. But patient can view online. So yeah. And
so how is the testing done in the booth also?
Yeah, I'll just show you what kind of booth do we have. Person who sanitize the area after every patient. So you can see a booth. Booth is like a telephone booth as well. And here also there are two holes, and the phlebotomist will sit inside and he will draw the sample. So the process is almost same. That is the fixed and this is the mobile. Yeah. The suspected patient can be who is in contact with other positive patients. So he comes with all the precautions. Our call center executive direct them to wear the mask and everything. And we give the slot. Like we are not calling all the patients in one time. In 1 hour we give 4 to 5 slots. So patient can come easily and they can give the samples. So the other advice I would like to say, there is a panic amongst the patient because this corona thing has been stigmatized. So here, like, if some positive report comes, sometimes patient overreact. So I would like to appeal to the patient, like, there is no need to overreact. There are so many patients who are recovering very fast. So I think that thing need to be corrected.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking to Republic Media Network. As Mr. Samir Bhati, the director of Star Imaging Private Limited, clearly said that the stigma around corona has to go away, because a lot of patients, after getting tested positive, there is a lot of fear that comes in their minds, and which is why, and also a lot of people are not coming out and getting themselves tested just because of the fear around it.